Just breathe normally. Tune into all the sound around you.
My name is Taey Iohe. I'm a South Korean artist based in East London. My work is often relational and collaborative. Sometimes it is through the soundscape, sometimes through the moving images, but often start with the gathering with the people. Our body and our mind and our spirits are so separated all the time, and that's what colonizers also do. That's the first thing they do. They separate body and mind and spirits. We are in Walthamstow Wetlands. It consists of 10 reservoirs. 2 of them are retired reservoirs, and 8 of them are source of our drinking water. So we get water through the underground pipeline. The Thames water was privatized in 1980s. The expectation or anticipation was that management of the water is got better. Now those pipelines are leaking. We are paying for this leaking water, and we will have to fix those pipelines to contain groundwater and drinking water more viable. We are witnessing how water works and thinking about how water works through this landscape. I think that's probably my mission, to making it somehow provocative question, that how can we recognize the slow violence is a part of our system, but how do we resist in the slow and effective way? Water doesn't have to belong to anywhere. It's always crossing the boundaries, always crossing the borders. And very nature of the flowing almost asks us, aren't we all meant to move? Aren't we all meant to flow? And even in that flow, you can seek for belonging. Belonging is very hard feeling, not the difficult feeling, but very, very precious and very, very difficult to get.